sneaky!
Primrose allows me to refresh my look in a moment.
What is happening right now?
What I'm going to do, load this image of Kung Fu into Project Postable, and I'm going to write the text prompt. Look at this.
Incredible. I am developing my own Princess vs. the Ogre graphic novel. So my lawyers will be contacting you, but great work.
So let's get started by loading up an audio sample I just made in the backstage.
What do you have up your sleeve?
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Adobe Max.
Just choose a language. I always want to learn Spanish. Here you go.
Buenas noches a todos. Bienvenidos a Adobe Max.
Project Resa will upscale the video by 4 times and try to predict its missing high-fidelity details. Here we go.
Incredible, dude. I feel like everyone is gonna love you except for aging actors.
These are reflections from inside the car. But it's okay, we can fix this. Boom, reflections are gone. Let's try cleaning this one up too.
The text here doesn't scream coffee to me. Here are some coffee beans placed to look like letters. Let's pass it to Glyphs. Now all the letters are made from coffee beans.
Like, I thought we had basically mastered letters at this point, but you made it better.